Hello guys, it's Danny McElroy here. In tonight's video, I have a special surprise for you guys, so I'm going to show you that right now. Voila! Alright guys, the moment you've all been waiting for, it is finally time to see these two hardback commercial elites running in action for you. I know it's been a while, but I just finished putting these guys together last night, and they're ready to roll. So anyways, hope you guys enjoy the video. So this one on the right here, this is from, I think, 2008. I'm not sure the correct year. And this one on the left, this is from 1999. So they're both been serviced, and they got new bags and new filter, new bags, and new belts and brush holes, and they're ready to roll. So anyways guys, here we go. Start off our comparison. We're going to start off with the Black Elite first here. I gotta put the height adjustment on top. All right, here we go. All right, we're going to start with the Black Elite first. So here we go. That's the black hardback commercial elite. Now it's time for the orange hardback commercial elite. Let's fix the height adjustment here. Okay, there we go. All right, here we go. And alrighty guys, that is the hardback commercial elites in action. I'm also going to do separate videos on them as well too, running. And also I wanted to thank you guys for over 200 subscribers. I really appreciate it. Make sure you keep it up. Please keep it up and keep subscribing. Turn on that bell for notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. Again, this is me, Danny, signing off. Have a great night, guys. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching this video. Bye-bye.